This is 7 Days of XYZ, where we explore a new topic every week related to companies and technology. This week has been about artificial intelligence, and the reason to why I wanted to dig deeper into this is that it's such a big trend that is affecting both our personal lives and our professional lives. Things that haven't been possible before, like understanding feelings. Computers can understand feelings now. They can turn paper sketches of code. Like if I write, I can make a sketch of a website on a piece of paper, and a computer can take that sketch and turn it into code. And computers can help us go from making recruitment like this gut-based feeling into an actual data-driven decision, which helps with like inclusion and diversity. And one famous saying in this and proverb in the world of startups and technology companies is that software is eating the world. More and more things are going to be democratized as a software delivered on the web. And in this week, I gave a couple of examples of like computers can understand feelings, computers can drive cars, computers can do recruitment processes, they can help us write better. And I think the core question is like, what is our spot? Like, one of the reasons why I learned to program kind of late in life was, you know, I found it very exciting, but I wanted to build things, but I was also I was a bit paranoid. Like, I saw that the tech industry and software is just gonna take a bigger and bigger part of kind of the business world, and I wanted to understand how it works. Like, I wanted to understand how these things are built. So for me, the kind of exploration part of artificial intelligence is like, it's the same thing for me. I want to understand what this is, so that I will not become like obsolete. I want to try to adjust myself and learn new things every day, so that I can create a place for myself in this world. And like, when I look at these various things, like in one episode this week, I talked about how you can put a device on top of your camera that is automatically giving you the best settings for taking a picture. And I think this is a fantastic example where quality of a picture is democratized. Like, the quality of a picture is no longer a problem. Like, I'm shooting this with my Huawei smartphone that is like 3,000 Swedish crowns, and I mean this is okay quality. It's not superb, but the quality on this phone is actually pretty good. And it used to be the case that like having the access to the technology in itself was like a competitive advantage to some extent, but when everyone has the device, when everyone has the asset, something else becomes the competitive advantage. And I think that as we are seeing these machines kind of taking over our jobs, it is actually an opportunity for us to become more human. If you take the example with like a doctor that where they're introducing a technology where they can make diagnosis of cancer better than the doctor with some kind of machine, what becomes the job of the doctor in that environment? I think the job of the doctor in that environment becomes like caring for people and empathizing with the people and being there, connecting with the patient and understanding that person's situation and helping them like live a better life. And that's something that computers cannot really do. The computer can screen for the anomaly, but it cannot create this human bond or connection between two people. So I think the kind of revolution is sure gonna replace some monotonous tasks and some tasks that are like purely knowledge based. But there's other things that it means to be a human. So when one of our jobs is like taken away with technology, we're automatically also getting promoted to doing some other type of job. Like, what will happen when all cars are self-driving? What kind of consequences will it have when people are just able to buy a kit to put on their car to make it autonomous? Like, what other thing will that person working as a cab driver, for instance, be doing? And that's the fantastic opportunity. That's like the opportunity of creativity and redefining your place in the world and seeing that as something positive rather than something negative. It creates this space of decision where anyone can start to redefine who they are and become that person that they really want to be. A cab driver that I went with one time, he made an installation of a karaoke system in his car. So in addition to just driving people to where they wanted to be, you could also sing karaoke. And whenever the role of the cab driver of like just taking a person from point A to point B, like when that experience can be added, because like you can take away the actual driving, then that experience can be transformed into something else. So this is going to be the last episode on this channel for a while. I would love to hear from you. Like, do you want to hear more of these videos? If so, like leave a comment with whatever you want me to kind of explore next. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a good day.